After this incident, I do not feel safe. I do not have the same confidence in me.
লড়াই করে বাঁচতে চাই দিতেই হবে দিতেই হবে দিতেই হবে দিতেই হবে
After this incident, I do not feel safe. I do not have the same confidence in me.
These are not enough to provide that security. So I would request that please help us. লড়াই করে বাঁচতে চাই
After this incident, I do not feel safe. I do not have the same confidence in me with which I used to go out at 2 o'clock in the night or 3 o'clock in the night and just for some refreshments to stay awake, or I do not have the same confidence with which I used to deal aggressive patients. Once we resume our duties, I don't think I'm going to ever be without a pepper spray or a scalpel maybe. But there has been a change in the number of calls I used to receive before the incident, and my parents are deeply concerned about my safety. They've always been, but since the incident happened, they've been even more so. My friends have started calling me from different states, and they keep telling me to just decentralize the situation. The moment I feel that there is some sort of safety, if safety is becoming an issue, I should just get away from that situation immediately.
These are not enough to provide that security. So I would request that please help us, because we are giving for 24 hours, 48-hour shift in a college, in a medical college where poor people come and take services. So when we need your security, because to handle the mob, it's not our duty to handle the mob, it is our duty to provide services to our patient. So please provide us the security with enough policemen. There is also the police outpost, but is it there enough policemen that are present? I don't think so.
Anybody can enter the hospital premises as it's a public or state-run hospital. Now you can see that they are checking the identity cards, but there is a time that when we stay in hostel, even below the hostel there is a water supply for the students, or I'm a BSc nursing third year student, so for the staff or the students, outside people come and use those. All the security stops them, but there is no proper protection. So that is the thing. There's a total lapse in security, and that is the main reason that person got so much entry into such a inner premises.
Side.